Hi guys, today we are learning how to use DeepSeek for beginners. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Now open the Play Store or App Store to download the DeepSeek app. Make sure your internet connection is stable before downloading. Once installed, open the app to start using it. After opening the app, you will see the login or sign up screen. Here you can create an account or continue with Google or email. Complete your sign-in process to access the main dashboard. Once logged in, you are ready to use DeepSeek. Now you will see the main interface of DeepSeek. Tap on the input box at the bottom of the screen. Type your prompt or question clearly here. Then press the send button to get an AI-generated answer. If you want to upload files or images, tap the plus icon. Here you can attach images, documents, or other files easily. After uploading, you can ask questions related to your file. DeepSeek will analyze and respond based on your input. Now look at the top left or menu icon for chat history. Tap it to view your previous conversations. You can open any old chat anytime you want. This helps you track your previous AI queries easily. And that's how you can easily use DeepSeek for beginners step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.